Have fun. Play a game. You ready to play a game? And we're going to play a game with beginning sounds. Okay. So I have some cards here, and this is the letter, right? B. What sound is B make? Very good. Now I have an object that makes that sound and starts with that letter. What is this? Right, a banana. Good job. Now I'm going to pick another letter. What's this? T. Very good. Unfortunately, I could not find anything around the house, the letter T. I couldn't bring my tire from my car in the house. That wouldn't have been a good idea. Oh, I did have a turtle, not a real one. It's a stuffed turtle. But I just thought about it. Then I remember I have these. What are these? Right, teeth. And they begin with the letter T. Good job. And I have this letter. What's this? The letter, right, F. What sound does F make? And I also have a picture. What's this picture of? And you know what this is? It's a fan. I got a fan, but not like the picture. It's a different type of fan. Nice, huh? All right. And remember, that was the letter F. Good job. And have the letter H. And what sound does H make? Good. Like hot. And guess what I have? A hat. Good job. And I also have one more thing that begins with the letter H. What's this? I know, it's my little... This is the closest thing I could get to a horse, which starts with the letter... That's right, H. Okay, so I'm going to keep my hat on. Do you like it? I like it. I think I look cute. I have a story for you guys, and it's called Pass the Ball Mo. And what will we be reading about in this book? Right, a little girl, and she's doing what? She is running, but what does she have in her hand? A basketball. So, do you think she'll be playing soccer? I don't think so. What do you think she's going to be playing? Right, basketball. And this book was written by David Adler and illustrated by Sam Ricks. Okay. Seems like it's going to be a fun book. At practice, Coach Emma says, Mo, pass the ball. Mo, pass it to Gail. It hits her knee and bounces away. No, no, no. Coach Emma says, Gail is taller than you. Throw higher. Everyone on the team is taller than Mo. Mo's team is the Bees. Mo practices passing. He throws the ball against the wall. Oh, wow. Ball and wall rhyme. Throwing it higher, Coach Emma tells him, that's what she's telling him, to throw it higher, because the other kids on his team are taller. Good job. Mo throws the ball higher. Coach Emma blows a whistle. Tweet, tweet. I'm going to make the whistling sound. Practice is done. The Bees' first game is Saturday. Mo walks home with his dad. I have to practice passing, he tells his dad. Do you think his dad is going to help him practice? Yeah, I think so too. Well, looky here. Mo practiced with his dad. Pass the ball, Mo's dad says. His dad is even taller than Gail. Mo throws the ball high. Good pass, Mo's dad said. It's Saturday. Eat a big breakfast, Mo's mother says. Basketball players need to be strong, because they do a lot of running back and forth, back and forth. One by one, Mo tosses blueberries into his bowl of cereal. Each time a berry lands in his bowl, Mo says, "Yeah, 2 points," and he eats his breakfast. His mom and dad take him to the game. They sit in the stands and watch. The Bees are playing the Ducks. Mo and Eve sit on the bench and watch. So his other team members are playing, but him and Eve are sitting on the bench. The Bees and the Ducks run from one end to the other end of the court. They pass the ball. They shoot the ball. One went in, one didn't. One was too short. One pass was too short to go in the goal, in the basket. Somebody shot it over the basket. It went bumped across the basket. And do you think that one went in? Let's see a little closer. Let's see. Sometimes it goes in. Most of the time it didn't. Well, remember when we read Pete, Let's Play Ball with Pete? His team had 6 points and the other team had 3 points. This time the guests have 12 points and the home team has 10. Miss Emma, the Coach Emma, she blows the whistle. Well, the referees at the game blow the whistle. The first half is done. The Ducks are winning by 12 points, 12-10. The second half starts. Mo and Eve are still on the bench. I need to rest, Sam tells Coach Emma. Go in, Coach, the coach tells Eve. So she waves bye to Mo and she goes in and plays for a while. The game is almost over and the score is Ducks 18, the Bees 18. So that means that's the same number, 18 and 18. So they tied the game. They scored more points. So is Mo happy or sad? He's happy. I need to rest, Gail tells Coach Emma. Go in, Coach tells Mo. Mo runs onto the... Hey, little one, a duck says to Mo. I'm not a little one. My name is Mo. The ducks tell Mo. And I'm Big Mac, said the little boy. And he got on Michael Jordan's number, acting ugly. That's not nice. 23. Mo runs up and down the court. Big Max runs with him. Billy shoots the ball. It hits the rim and rebounds to Mo. So he caught the ball. So what do you think Mo's gonna do? What was Mo practicing? Right, passing. So do you think he's gonna pass it? Well, let's keep reading. Pass it, Coach Emma says. Pass it to me, Janet said. Pass it to me, Billy says. Max is in the way. Wonder what Mo's gonna do. Here goes, says Mo. He throws the ball high over Max's head. It is over Janet's head. It's over Billy's head too. Uh-oh. Mo threw the ball really high like he was practicing. He threw it extremely high. I wonder what's going to happen now. The ball goes in the basket. Wow. Yay! Mo's parents and others cheer. 2 points, Coach Emma shouts. Mo did a great job. The game is over. The Bees win 20-18. So let's count how many points. So that's the number 18, and we're going to count up to 19. So 18, 19, 20, 2 points. The Bees carry Mo on their shoulders. They carry him to his parents. And everybody's what? Happy. Great shot, Mo's parents tell him. But I was trying to pass the ball, says Mo. Coach Emma laughs. It was a very bad pass, but your pass won the game. So is Coach Emma happy or sad? She's happy. Do you think if Mo's ball didn't go into the basket, do you think Coach Emma would have been upset with him? Was he trying his best? Did you enjoy this book? Well, guess what? When we call next week, you guys can tell us what you thought about this book, Pass the Ball, Mo. And guess what, friends? I'll see you on our group Zoom, all right? And I hope you had fun reading this book, and I'll see you next time. Bye.